Monday afternoon, the storm's coming in, so Morris and I are going to go for a kayak down Wellington Point before it kicks in. Just going over Tilly Creek at the moment. Yeah, we'll be there in about 10-15 minutes, I reckon. Yeah, haven't kayaked down here before, so we'll see how it goes. It's looking a bit choppy out there, but it doesn't matter. It's hot as, want to go for a swim anyway. Well, almost there. Stuck behind these guys. I'll just get stuck behind somebody down here. Yeah, there's the pace car up the front there. But, yeah, just up over that hill. I think the tide's on its way up, but we're still up at about 2 metres, so we've still got a bit of water under us. We might be able to kayak out to our King Island. Yeah, you can sometimes walk out there when it's low tide, but we're going to go for a yak out there. Yeah, got a good fish and chip shop down here too. It's a bit overpriced, but it's right on the water. It's alright. Here we are. Bit of a steep hill. And there's car parks for us right there. Awesome. Two, so this lady's not going to steal my car park. Cool, got the kayaks down. Yeah, tide's right in. Yeah, we've just come from Wynnum over that way, where that crane is. And yeah, you can sort of see the city in the background. Bit of a pool. Yeah, it's a Monday afternoon, so there's not many people down here. It's great. But, yeah, the wind's picked up a bit. But yeah, it's hot as. It's about 33 degrees, so we're going to go for a swim as well, I think. Cool, just testing the waters. Pretty good, according to Morris. Nice and warm. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. We'll get the kayaks out a bit later. Bit of honey over there. What time is it? 1:30. Well, he's got to go pick up the kids from school at about 2:33, so we're getting about an hour down here. But yeah, when it's low tide, yeah, you can walk all the way out there. Have a look what's under the water, just cause. You can sort of see that storm that's coming over. They got an awesome light show last night. And they got a lot of hail a bit further down there. But yeah, we're supposed to be copping it again, but at the moment, beautiful. And I'll put this back on when we get out, get the kayaks out. Ooh! Bit of a cold. It's that point where you get to that point. You're like, ah, it's a bit chilly. But once you get in that far, you get over it. Oh, someone's playing some tunes. Here, Shocky. Cooking. Yeah, I don't know what the fishing's like around here. I'm sure it's alright down there. But yeah, watched a couple of my other videos. I've been out to that island, I've done little treasure hunts and stuff down there, left some treasures for people to find. They would have found them, little motorbike and stuff. Cool, anyway, get the yaxters out. Yeah, one of these has got a bit of a slow leak. We'll find out which one it is. Hopefully it's Morris's one. And we're going into the breeze, so it should be a bit easier paddling. paddling back. There. We'll see how far we get. About halfway to King Island. Yeah, didn't make it far out. As I said, we're going against the breeze, so I'm getting a bit tired. Because I'm not that fit. But yeah, we'll keep on trooping on. And here comes Morris. Cool. Get the GoPro back on. A little bit of a Yui. Wait for Morris to pull up. Yeah. I'm just going a bit further out. I'll turn around if you like.
Where you going?
Just as far as I can that way and back. But yeah, we're going against the wind, so I don't know how far. Gonna get up there. I'm getting a bit thirsty. But yeah, see, the wind's blowing us all the way back that way. Yeah, you can see the islands in the background. I think that's Stratty, Sand Dune, it's Moreton, one of the two. Hey, good exercise. It's be easier going back with the wind behind us. Yeah, should have brought a rod up. Yeah, bloody hell. Oh, we're just doing the float around. I'm not going to capture much footage, I don't think, today, but yeah, it's good to be out here. I might head back to the shore. Yeah, it is a nice view. Oh, we'll get in the shore, I guess. Nothing. Well, that was our paddle anyway. Might go for a walk over the other side later. But, you watch him fall off, yeah.
Keep watching.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, go for it. Oh yeah, we'll go over there and you'll have to hang on to the kayak. Well, us Olympic rowers. Yeah, as I said, yeah, it's a bit shallower here. Tide is on its way out. So in about another 2 or 3 hours you'll be able to walk out there. Yeah, it's a bit shallow. There you go. We'll leave that there. Don't want that floating away on us. But yeah, you can usually walk out to King Island on this track. Yeah, if you've got bugger all to do, it takes about an hour to get up there and back. Oh. And yeah, look at that storm coming through. It's looking nice and grey. But yeah, we're still got a couple of hours. Couple of hours, she says. Couple of days, beautiful. Cool, anyway, I'll turn this off. Woo! And we're back to the shore. Oh. Sweet. Well, drinky poos time. little tinny. That's what I need, one with a steering wheel. Sit at the back. It's only a little tacker, but gets you around the bay. Yummy. There's a guy having a fish up there. Don't know if he's using plastics, looks like he's using a lure. Having a bit of a flick anyway. Be good if he pulls something up. Well, I've got the camera going. That'd be lucky for me and him. Yeah, check out that sick looking bike if you can see it. Orange and black Harley. Yeah, anyway, probably can't see it from here, but yeah, it looks pretty cool. Yeah, now car just parked right in front of it. Of course. Speed tackle. Yep, look at the storm coming through. There's the front of it, storm front. Yep, it's gonna get yeah, nice lightning show later on tonight for sure. Yeah, enjoy this fine weather while we can. Doesn't look like I'll be doing much work tomorrow either. Yeah, no, he says. Yeah, that's a bugger. Cool, yeah, we might head back on, I reckon. Yeah. Get back to Wynnum before it starts pissing down. Well, it knows we'll be in the car, but still. It's not going to be cold. Yakety yak, don't come back. Yeah, check out old mate's bike. It goes. And these doofies be at school. Eat the bacon. Yeah, on our way out. And yeah, we're just over the eastern side of the, whatever you call it, the park. Yeah, it's looking a bit gloomy over this side. Another nice bike. Hopefully he's going this way, we can follow him. Get some footage of the nice bike. Cool. Better than being stuck behind a bloody grandma in a 4-cylinder. Go check it. Yeah, I think those exhaust pipes are. See what that is. Skitty. Little skinny ones. Big ape hangers. There you go. Cool. Oh, we might call that a video. Nice short one anyway for the day. See ya. Time to eat the bacon. Well, we made it back. Kayaks and stuff. But yeah, it's coming through. And I don't like that green in the back here. It means hail. It's going to be a good lightning show, but I don't like hail because they smash windows and stuff, and yeah, no shit, the about the size of my balls. Anyway, hope and pray, we'll see what happens later. But yeah, light shows are starting. Hey, 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 hey. What time is it? Almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, about 5 o'clock. Gonna be heckers. Yeah, as I said, hopefully no hail. I've got my helmet and some other stuff that I'll chuck over the car if it gets too gnarly, but yeah, anyway. Well, it's starting. Got my helmet on. Not the best I could do. Check out these hailstones. I said, size of my balls almost. Wow. Hey, come in, spinner. Yeah, well, I hope my shit stays together. Could do something about the ute. Bugger. Yeah, better get a towel or something to put over the bloody ute. What do we got? Some blankies. Boom. Got what do you call it? A bean bag. I'll chuck that over the front. But anyway, I'm doing my best. Hopefully I don't have to pay for any windows in the morning. Oh, look at that one! Hell yeah! Look at that one! Ah! Hey, juggling! Anyway, I better get back here. Fix this fucking car up. Boy! Look out! Jesus Christ! I don't mind the wind and rain, but you know, but when ice starts falling from the sky, the size of bloody rocks, you've got to look out. Taxi! What the fuck, mate? Back out there and put some shit on the cars. So it looks like the hail's passed, but wow, check out the wind and water. Yeah, getting a bit flooded. Don't think I'll be working tomorrow, peoples. Party peoples. Hey, nice one. Call that a video, I reckon. Wonder where my cat is. Anyway, stay safe everyone.